So the last improvement here is the ability to merge purchase orders. Let's see, I may have to create a purchase order to show this off here. Let me create a PO and include just one of the items. So I've got one PO for SNS, and then I'll create a second one, also for SNS. Okay, so now I have two open POs, both for SNS. Previously, there was no way to merge two POs together. So even though I had these two POs, if I wanted to combine them, what I would have to do is delete the PO, which would move those items back into the awaiting purchase order stage. Once they were available again, I could go back into the purchase order section, choose create purchase order, and when prompted, I could choose the option to merge it into one of my already open POs. But again, in the kind of with the desire to streamline things and make it easier to make that action, which is a common one that people do, we now added the merge into existing option. When you're viewing a purchase order, there is one requirement, which is that purchase order must be unsent. And that's most critical for purchase orders that are going through the live ordering process, right? If you've already sent a PO to Sanmar or SNS using the live ordering feature, we're not going to allow you to merge that into another one because it's already been sent to the supplier. So that is the one requirement. But let's go ahead and click merge into existing. We'll see our other SNS purchase orders listed here. I can go ahead and choose merge into existing, hit OK. The system is going to close out that purchase order that I was looking at and take me straight to the PO that's the new PO with both items combined. Okay, so definitely nice option there to streamline your purchase ordering or merging of existing POs.